Trick or treat.
What do you got to say, honey? Nice and loud. I didn't hear anything.
I know.
What are you supposed to say?
I know.
Oh, maybe she knows how to do it when she's not on the shoulders. Let's see if you can say it. What do you say? Go up there and say what you're supposed to say.
I know. Trick or treat.
Thank you, sweetie.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Trick or
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Okay, have another trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Wait. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Go.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Shut up.
Trick or treat.
Thank you.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Yeah, this is awesome.
And you say what else?
Trick or treat, maybe? Trick or treat. Yeah, trick or treat.
What do you say?
Oh, trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Thank you.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.